So now let's see how we can work around with Sculpt Mode inside of 2D animation mode inside of Blender. So in order to work around with Sculpt, I'm going to go around and then first of all draw a random thing right here. So I'm just going to go around and there you go. I got a squiggly line right here as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is on the draw menu right here, I'm going to click and then I'm going to go to Sculpt Mode. And here are different sculpt options provided to me. For example, you can go ahead and choose the tool you want. Let's say, for example, you want to smooth out. You can use this, click and drag out, and you can see that you can smooth out the line right here. It becomes much more smoother. You can right click to increase the radius right here, and then work around with the strength over here, increase and decrease the strength right there to balance it out as well. Then another thing you have is the thickness. So you can go around, you can increase the thickness of the line after you draw it, as you can see as well. So there's different things as you can see, like you can increase the strength to make the part of the line much more darker. There's like randomize it, which allows you to really squiggle the line. You can go back to smooth right here to smoothen it out again, as you can see right here. Similarly, there's like grabbing options right here to change out how that looks and so forth. There's pushing option right here as well. You can push out, you can twirl it out over here as well slowly, and you can practice all of the tools just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with this sculpt tool inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.